Oh, welcome back to House of L Comics. We got a pretty big unboxing today. This is everything I've gotten within the last month from ABX. ABX is my LCS. I've been using them for a little while, and they've been really, really good so far. So, let's see what we got. Okay, this is some replacements that were damaged in the last shipment. And we got Batman 17. And we got Absolute 17, Superman, and then we got this one. So, thank you ABX for doing that for me. I appreciate it. And this is how they pack, really well. I'm really satisfied with it. And he did a really good job this time. We had a little problem last time, and he fixed everything. Let me get my scissors. But it wasn't that bad, and he was really respectful, and he really helped me out. So, I highly recommend ABX. They are very professional, and very nice. So, let's see what all I got. To tell you the truth, I can't really remember everything that I got. So, and I like the way he does this. He takes a Silver Age back and board, and then he does this. Okay, so the first one, Harley and Ivy. And then we got Action Comics. This has been a really good run so far. Then another Action Comics. Ooh, I like this one. And Absolute number 18. Ooh, this one's really nice. Then Absolute 18 Batman, and Absolute 18 Batman. Really good, really good. I like those a lot. The only problem is this blue tape sticks to the bag a little much. And I like to try to save the bag if possible. There it goes. So, take out from the front. That way I can save the bag. Sorry guys. This one's probably going to be a little long. Ripped the bag and board. Damn it. Yeah, it's okay. So, Superman, Spider-Man, Superman, Spider-Man. I got quite a few of these, if I remember right on my pre-order. Superman, Spider-Man, Superman, Spider-Man. I really like that cover. Oh. Blizzard of the Year. I don't know what this one is. Let's see what this one is. Might be World's Finest. I don't know what this one is. I have no idea what this is. Oh, Bizarro. Oh, this is the Bizarro book. Okay. Alright. Bizarro Year None. Blizzard of the Year. I'm going insane. And World's Finest. I haven't read the Bizarro one yet. So, get that. And damn it. Sorry, I've tried to save all the bags, if possible. I know it's kind of a pain in the ass, but Green Lantern, Detective Comics, Spider-Man, Superman. Ooh, I really like this one. I really like this one. I'm thinking about getting that one graded. And this Adam Hughes. I might get this Adam Hughes graded too. I'm really big into grading, so. Got 3 more stacks. And thank you for sticking around. I really appreciate it. If anyone's watching this, I really appreciate it. And please like and subscribe. Okay. So. Ooh, I like this one. Mark Spears. This has been a really good series so far too. And you got Batman. And Adventures of Superman, Book of L. Absolute Superman. If you can tell, I'm a DC guy. Absolute Superman. Yeah, all these are 18. Absolute Superman. Sorry about that beeping. That's my dinner. And I'm doing this right after work, so. Okay. Nightwing. Poison Ivy. Wonder Woman. Absolute Wonder Woman. Absolute Wonder Woman. Justice League Unlimited. Ooh, I really like this cover. Oh, good. I was wanting this cover right here. This one is really good. Sort of a meta. And this one's a really good one too. Video game variant. And I'm hoping these are the Lobos. Okay. There you go. Isn't that a gorgeous Lobo? I love this cover right here. This is gorgeous. Then you got Batman, Superman. And here is the 1 in 25. I love this book. This is such a great book. Supergirl. Oh, this is a gorgeous cover. I love this cover. This is a nice one. Oh, this is nice. I'm getting this one graded. And then Harley and Ivy. And we got one more. I'll do that later. Okay. Superman, Batman. Ooh. Apparently I got 2 of these. And here is my absolute favorite. This is J. Scott Campbell. This is gorgeous. I love this J. Scott Campbell. Ah. Very, very, very nice. Alright, so that's everything I got today. I appreciate it. Like I said, like, subscribe. Go see ABX. ABX is great. They're on Facebook. They're on Instagram. And, yep, that's it. Appreciate it.